Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. I'm back at it again. I don't know if I kicked you in on that other video, but these bumpers were not right. They came out of 010s and they're not right. So I found an 09, and it's only a year older or a year younger, so I say, than mine. And I've just taken this apart, and this appears to be the right bumper. Because as you can see at the top, the bumper itself is lower. See how this one here is right at the top of that assembly, and that is below it. So unfortunately, this is the only one I can find right now, and it's not in perfect shape, but it's going to do the job. So I guess next time around, I'm never going to be another round, but if you got to do it, I guess try and bring the old one and match it up, because there is a difference between the 10 and the 9 in the Compass bumpers. All right, so we're back. All right, we're putting this one back on, and it's definitely the right one this time around. So this was just an exchange for the other one, so it didn't cost me anything. All right, we're coming together. Got the bumper on here. Bumper. Yeah, consider the bumper. And then there's this top piece, and this is what connects the top of your bumper cover on here. I shattered that one. So I got this one, $3. Got a bolt there, you got a bolt right there, and then you got 2 press-ins, and then you got T20s that are holding that together. All right, there we are. She's back on. All right, fairly secure. My only issue is the inner skirts. Of course, there's her badge from hitting a deer. The inner skirts are gone on this side, so I've got to get an inner skirt on this so I can protect all that stuff. You don't want that stuff getting crashed with water and stuff. Pretty much, especially this side here. This has got your computer and all that other stuff in here, and I've got a hole up in here, so I might as well go ahead and get the skirt. I'm gonna be like $5 to $10 for that stuff, so you know, that's gonna save you a lot of heartache. I'll do something with this down the road. Maybe give me another skirt. But all right, if you like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, definitely share. We'll catch you on the next Dana's Garage. I'll just leave it as Dana's Garage. Unfortunately, this was Project Cheap Compass.